In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Bybit Web3 feature on the Bybit app. Now, in case you don't know, there's a Web3 feature on the Bybit app, and I'm sure a lot of people have been using the Bybit app for a long time and they don't even know how to use it. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to use your Web3 feature on the Bybit app. Now, if you want to go to the Web3 page on your Bybit app, at the top of the screen, you will see where you have Exchange and you see where you have Web3. So just click on Web3 right there. And you can see right here, you'll be asked to create a Bybit Web3 wallet, or if you already have a wallet already, you can just log in your wallet right here. Now, before I go ahead and create a wallet, what is the difference between this Web3 wallet and the normal wallet you have on your Bybit exchange? Now, they are different. Now, if you are creating a wallet using this Web3, it means that you have the 100% control over your wallet. Now, in case you don't know, so many exchanges out there, when they shut down or maybe when they go bankrupt, that means that whatever funds you have on that exchange will be gone forever. But if you're using a Web3 wallet, or maybe you're using a wallet where you have total control, even if that exchange is shut down, you still have the 100% control over your money. Because when you're about to create this wallet, you'll be given 12 seed phrases that you should make sure that you keep very, very well, because these are the phrases you use to log in on any platform or any app that uses a Web3 wallet. So what you just need to do, if this exchange should go down or maybe they go bankrupt, all you just need to do is just create another Web3 wallet in another exchange or maybe another Web3 platform that uses a wallet, and then just enter those 12 seed phrases you received while creating this wallet, and you have access to your crypto. It's as simple as that. I can also use this to trade, to buy, and do different things. So I'll be showing you how to do that right now. So if you want to go ahead and create a Web3 wallet, just come right here to where you have create a Bybit Web3 wallet and click on it. Now, my screen right here, I have 12 seed phrases that are just like my password that I can use to log into my wallet any day, anytime on any exchange or any mobile device. Obviously, I'm not going to be showing you guys these 12 seed phrases for security reasons. So you can see created successfully. So I've just created my own Web3 wallet right here. Now, what this means is that whatever crypto I have right here, I have 100% control over it. In as much as I'm the only one who has access to those 12 seed phrases that I got when I was creating this wallet. I hope you understand that. So if you want to go ahead and transfer your crypto from the normal Bybit exchange wallet you have to this Web3 wallet, it's simple. What you just need to do is to come here to where you have receive. You can see where it says receive right here. Click on it. And then you come right here and search for the crypto you want to receive. So let's say, for example, I want to receive, let's say USDT. I'll just come right here and search for USDT right there. So you can see it's USDT. And then you also see the network. So let's say, for example, it is USDT on Arbitrum 1 network. This is it right here. So just click on it. And then to show you your wallet address. So the simple thing right here is now go back to your Bybit exchange, the normal exchange, and then paste this wallet address and make sure you select Arbitrum 1 as the network and send your crypto. So that's the process on how to receive your crypto into this Web3 wallet. Now, let's say, for example, you now want to send from this Web3 wallet maybe to another person or maybe to your normal exchange, whichever one. That's when you now click on send. So you click on send right here. And then once you get to this page, you search for the crypto you want to send. Now, it is showing no available asset right here because I just created it, so I don't have any asset in this wallet. But if you have any asset, it will show you right here, and you can select whichever of the crypto you want to send. So once you select it, just enter your wallet address. That is the wallet address you want to send it to, and then you select the network. It's as simple as that. So that is how you can use this Web3 wallet for sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. Now, you can also earn money every day with this Web3 wallet. Now, how do you do that? You come here to where you have earn at the bottom right here. And right here on the screen is where you can now see the different coins you can invest in and earn passive income every day. So you can see you have BTC, you have ETH, you have Solana, and so on. Now, for BTC, you can get 3.21% annually. For ETH, you can get 50.62% annually. For Solana, you can get 6.64% annually. And if you scroll down, you see the other cryptocurrencies. You can see the stable coins you can invest in. If I come under protocols right here, you can see the different coins you can invest in. If I come under dual currency, you can also see the different coins you can invest in. So whichever one you want to invest in, just go ahead and invest your money and you'll be earning passive income every day. It's as simple as that. So you can see that it is not just for keeping your wallet or for sending and receiving crypto. You can also earn passive income with this. Now, another thing you need to understand about Web3 on Bybit is also airdrop. You can also get access to airdrop projects every day. Now, for that, you come here to where you have Discover. So I'll click on it. And right here on the screen, you see where you have airdrop. So you can see where you have airdrop right there. Just click on it. So you can see these are some airdrops that you can participate in right here on the Web3 page on Bybit. So you can see this one's just ended. So you can see ended right there. So this one's just ended. This Chilonic airdrop, and you have this Monad ecosystem campaign. So these are airdrops that just ended. And if you keep scrolling up, you can see for daily rewards, these are the ones where you can earn daily rewards. This one's too, they just ended. So make sure that you always come here every day to see whichever airdrop is available. So always come here every day if you want to participate in any of these airdrops on Bybit Web3 page. Now, another thing I love about Web3 on Bybit is that Web3 allows you to trade new coins on the Bybit page. Now, let me show you how to do that. Now, for this one, you can only do it on your laptop. You can't do it on the Bybit mobile app. So to do that, you can see right here, I'm on the home page of the Bybit platform on my laptop. So you come here to where it says trade. So you can see where it says trade right here. Come here to where it says Web3. So you just click on Web3. And right here, you can see where it says trade with your unified trading account balance, no back and forth, no gas token needed. So this means that for this one, you are trading with the money you have in your unified trading account. And again, you're not paying any gas fee or any gas token for this. Now, once you've seen that, come here to where it says new coin sniper. Now, if you're the kind of person that you want to be trading new coins, like immediately they are launched, then you can come ahead and do that right here. I'm sure you know there are some coins that once they are launched, they always go really up fast. And there are some coins that maybe after they've gone really up, they start to come really down. So if you want to take advantage of those moves on new coins, you can do that right here with Bybit Web3. So you can see these are the two coins that are currently available for this new coin sniper. So you can see this is the first one is Eva right here, and the second one is Tuna. You see the price of the coin right here. So for Eva, it is 0.03091. For the 24-hour chain. So in the last 24 hours, this Eva has gone down by 14.37%. And you can see the holders right here. Holders means the number of people who are holding this coin. That's about 49,000 people. So if you want to trade this coin now, just come here to where it says trade. So I'll click on it. So you can see right here on the screen, this is the chart for that coin right here. So this is the chart for the coin, and these are other trending coins that you can see. So in case you want to trade other coins, you'll see them right here. And this is where you can actually come and take the trade. So you can see if you want to buy the coin, it's on buy. So here you just put in the amount you want to spend. So you are using your UTA balance. Don't forget the amount in your unified trading account. That's what you are using to trade this. Please don't forget. So if you want to buy this coin, just come here and put in the amount you want to use. So if you want to trade it, let's say $50. Put it right there, and then just come here to where it says buy. See this buy right here, just click on buy, and then you go ahead and buy the coin. It's as simple as that. And if you want to trade another one, these are different coins right here. They are all new coins. So if you are the kind of person who is into maybe meme coins, you want to be trading meme coins and making fast money, you can do this right here. But have it at the back of your mind that it is risky. So make sure you take note of that and only risk what you can afford to lose. So that's basically how you can use the Web3 platform on Bybit. I've just shown you how you can use it to send crypto, receive crypto, how you can also earn passive income every day with the Web3 platform on Bybit. And I also show you how you can participate in airdrops every day. And lastly, I also showed you how you can trade meme coins every day on the Web3 platform on Bybit. Don't forget, if you don't have a Bybit account, use the first link in the description of this video. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.